Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back again. Today we are going to discuss about how to create sales order in SAP SD and how many ways are there in creation of sales order. There are so many blogs and so many videos available in YouTube on how to create sales order in SAP. So this video is going to be different one. I'm not going to explain everything in detail how to create sales order. I'm going to discuss about a few important things which will be unique comparing to other videos. Welcome to my channel, SAP SD and ABAP League support. Please do subscribe, like, and comment. Now let's get started. So first, before we are going to create a sales order, first let's understand in how many ways we can create a sales order in SAP. This is also one of the important interview questions. Most of the people aware only there is only one way available, or they know that sales order can be created through transaction code VA01. Some people might aware that there is a path available where we can go to the path and we can try to create a sales order. So probably many people will aware of this two ways only how to create a sales order in SAP. I'm going to explain a few more ways are there. Let's understand each and everything. Okay, the first one, as I mentioned, that we have a path here, right? In the favorites, under favorites, we have that SAP menu. In the logistics, sales and distribution, sales. Under sales, we have different folders are there. Click on order folder. There we see a transaction code VA01, VA02, VA03. VA01 for create, VA02 for change, VA03 for display. So this is one of the way to create an order through path. Another way is to create a sales order through VA01 transaction code. This is a popular one. Everyone aware of this. Third one is through incoming IDOC. So in business scenarios, very rarely the CSR, customer sales representative, will create an order manually in VA01. But most of the times, the sales order creation will be automated. Automated in the sense, vendor sends a data to our system. Before coming to our system, it will come to first through PI or XI, the middleware. Through that middleware channel only, it will come to our SAP system. In SAP, it will become an incoming IDOC. IDOC nothing but intermediate document. So the IDOC contains all the required fields like sold to customer, ship to customer, requested delivery date, sales document type, sales area, material, quantity, stock, everything. The IDOC will carrying all the data, and based on that IDOC only, sales order will be created. And the message type here is that orders. Basic type is orders 05. It's a inbound IDOC. This is one way creating an IDOC. It's a background basically. This, so we might get one more question: how this IDOC creating an order? This IDOC is this creating an order through the one. There is one functionality called in ABAP, that is BDC. That is batch data communication. In BDC, we have a famous method called call transaction. So this method will be used to call the transaction code VA01, right? So it's a BDC nothing but a recording session, something like that. So based on the data what we received in the dialog, it will push those data to this call transaction method VA by calling transaction code VA01. This is third way. And fourth way is to create a sales order through BAPI. BAPI is nothing but business application programming interface. So BAPI can be used in two ways. It works as an interface as well as it is an API. API stands for application programming interface. Right. So BAPI has several function models are there. Each and every function models are in RFC enabled function models. Few have been highlighted here. That is BAPI sales order create format date 1 and BAPI sales order create form date 2. BAPI sales order create form data. So these are the three RFC BAPI functional models are available. We can create an order through this one as well. One more way is that through output type. There is a one. So in output we have a different transmission mediums are available, right? Right. One for printout, five for external send. There is email output type, and A for ALE output type. Six for IDAC output type, right? Similar way, we have one special transmission medium 8, that is special functions. Through this also we can create sales orders. As per my knowledge, these are the ways that we can create. First way, we can access and create an order through SPRO path. Second one, we can directly use the transaction code VA01. Third way is through incoming IDAC. And fourth way is BAPI function models. And fifth way is through output type. In the output type, we will be writing some custom code logic to call either call transaction method or this BAPI function model to create sales order. If you think that there are some other ways available to create a sales order, please do let me know. I will also learn that. Okay, this is one of the important interview questions that you might expect. It should be good to know about this. How many ways that we can create an order. Now let's see how to create sales order. As I mentioned earlier, that I'm not going to completely discuss about step by step in creating a sales order, but I will tell you important points that we should remember while creating the sales order. So we need only few parameters initially to create a sales order. First, sales document type, that's order type. Then sold to or shipped to customer. Then request delivery date. Finally, material and quantity. If we know these parameters, then we can easily go and get a sales order. Okay, you might ask, like, if we don't know the sales area, then how to create a sales order? Yeah, I will come to that. Okay, so this is one of the interview questions. If you see here in the VH11 initial screen, we have a order type which is a mandatory, and the remaining fields are sales org, distribution channel, division, sales office, sales group. This is all optional. So in the interview, they might ask you that what is the mandatory field in the initial screen of sales order VH01 screen. That time If you should answer that, only sales document type field is the mandatory, remaining are optional. You can enter it or you can leave it blank and click on enter, proceed further. Okay, so let's enter the sales document type OR here. Then if you click on enter, it will go inside. So this screen will open. So in this screen, either we can enter sold to customer, or we can enter ship to customer alone, or we can enter both. It's up to us. So we can enter at least one customer here. And after entering the customer, if you click on enter, then if the sold to customer is available in multiple sales areas, the customer is extended for multiple sales areas, then it will display the sales areas. So we need to select which sales area this customer belongs to, and for which sales area we need to create a sales order for this customer. That's why I have mentioned that we need sales document type, sold to customer or ship to customer, and requested delivery date and material quantity. Okay, by entering the sold to ship to customer, system will throw one pop-up saying that select the sales area because this customer exists in multiple sales areas, and request delivery date. So basically, the sales document type controls transaction code is VO V8. In VO V8 transaction code, we will be maintaining the date there, delivery date. If that has been maintained there, then it will come automatically. If it is not maintained, then it won't come here. Then we can enter here. It's a mandatory field. We must enter this field here. Finally, we should enter the material and quantity. Up to this are the basic things that we should make sure to enter these parameters to, and then click on save. It will be saved. If we get any other issues like pricing error, some mandatory condition type is missing, incompletion log, that is different thing because that is different concept. Incompletion procedure for incompletion log and the pricing setup is something is missing. That is different thing. But commit sales order creation, these are the basics things that we should remember. Please keep in mind that this might be very simple, but it is also expert interview questions, right? So please remember this, and thank you so much for watching my videos. Please, if you think that I would like to discuss on any other topics, any other issues, please mention in the comment section. I will try to do videos on those topics as well. Do subscribe and share it with your friends. And if you want to give any feedback to me, please do that. Mention in the comment section. I will try to improve myself. Thank you so much.